Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have a concern. And when me attack, I don't care who want a bad comment for say. Nah who, nah who, nah have nothing good for say. But let me tell you this, ladies and gentlemen. Let me tell you this because the whole I will sit down watch police a kill off innocent UM. And by the end of the day, police talk say a shootout. You understand me? I say everybody with police shoot. You can't go here say a shootout. Then the government are going to say, we must have more kids. Or we have kids when the police are kill off all of the young man them. Eh? The police are kill off all of the young man them. Right? And there's no justice I come from none of the death them we are going. A time enough for something done about this innocent people them with the police them are killing. Not saying all of the police them kill are innocent. What happened back in the days, like in the days where a young man, then catch a young man with a gun or a murder and police bring him in and then go to prison. Either get life imprisonment or do him time and come out. What happened to them days there? Eh? What happened to those days? Me I tell you, say, when me dep on the road, me afraid of police, me afraid of gunman. Can I tell you something? Gunman have contract to come kill you. Gunman have get pay to come kill you. But them a police say I kill you for nothing. They can just see you and not like you and just kill you. Woman no safe, man no safe, picnic no safe, boy no safe from police. Who did the fool for turn to? Eh? Who out there for we for turn to? The higher heads no care. Right? You can't talk nothing about the higher heads because him no care. And if you say something for disrespect him, him know each part for come dig you out. You understand me? I said this is unfair. Right now, young youth them are dead more or them are born. All of the picnic them soon have a father. All picnic in Jamaica soon fatherless under the hands of police. And so we're gonna sit down what police kill you them and then put a gun upon them and say that them fine. How much somebody them put a one gun upon where they say them fine. This need to stop, man. This Jamaica gone to? Eh? And this Jamaica really gone to? This is the Jamaica when me grew up in a. And it hurt me there my yard and if you got a town or Spanish town, I'm afraid to left my yard. When a police car pass with me, I feel look me, I feel find a corner for dry nice. This is the life we want citizens for our children. When they kill up the whole of the man them in Jamaica, what they left with for do? What them are left with woman for do? What them are left with woman for do? There's no justice in Jamaica, there's no law. Police see and just don't like you and shoot you. And I just say go and then they write in a report. They write in a report you shoot out. So if you be shoot out and them not getting a shot. Eh? Police not carrying nobody no more. The mag are full up a young youth. The mag them are full up a young youth. I know every young youth are a murderer. I know every young youth a gunman. You have hard working young youth out there. And just so we're gonna sit down citizens and watch our young youth dead. Our children are dead under police hand. Our mothers are dying under police and we sit down with us okay with it when are we want to make sure there's something done about it. Who is there for we to talk to? Eh? Funeral home make more money, more or hospital make money right now. You got hospital even doctor kill you off nowadays. Doctor get wrong prescription. Who is there for we to talk to? Who is there for we to talk? I'm not gonna lie, I'm afraid to leave my house. I'm afraid to leave my house. Because you never know. A police might just drive past and not shoot if nothing. And you know the other thing about it? 3/4 of them police you can't see them face because they have a mask and just them two eye and the gun you look on. What is going on? Where the serve and protect gone? On the serve and protect us. But right now, they not serve and protect us. We not kill off you little young youth and not kill we off. Why only so trigger happy? Eh? We want to carry and go in front of court. And the judge decide guilty and not guilty. Una execute the people them on spot. My God Almighty, man, my belly bleed to see how police are going. I'm disappointed in our police force. I'm so disappointed at all the police them are behave. And there's nobody look into it. Whether camera are there or camera not. Nothing not come out of the deck them where police them are going with. Who we turn to? We can't turn to our prime minister. We can't ask our prime. We can't turn to our prime minister, but nothing at all. And what people them still like one like them are idiot. A time for no wake up. It might not happen too near, but it's soon there on the doorstep. Our sons not safe under the hands of police. Our sons, our son them afraid to go out, they go work. Our boy picking them, I grew up in a fear. On have son and have to think about on the son. If him left go shopping, they must come back home. In left go work, him they must come back in. Parents don't have to wake up. We have to wake up and see how the law are behave with our young youth. And all of them are killer. It's a mess. And all of them out there gunman. We have to wake up in the parents. We have to start different. We're going to defend who we can turn to. Who is there for we to turn to? Yeah, my boy Pitney, you got to stand here, my boy Pitney, you got to fret. It's this a world where you going to grow up in, you have to fret, because you must live to be 20. You must live to be 20-year-old. I'm afraid to go road. I'm not going to hide until I'm living in fear. Give me in a Spanish town and I see police. I try my best to find another road walk because they are trigger happy. They shoot you and kill you and then them ask questions after. With the citizens of Jamaica, we have to do something. We can't just sit down and let them win. Because right now they're winning. There's no serve and protect there right now. And there's, you're the government that come out at all. Nothing about the behavior of the police them are going with. You don't hear nothing about that. Nothing at all you don't hear about that. I'm tired. I swear to God. I'm living in fear with my kids them. I'm living in fear with my kids them. I'm not supposed to feel this way for my kids and for myself. The police them make me afraid. Them make me afraid. Not come out of them behavior. We need help. We need help. We mothers need help. Mother, we have a son out there. We have to pray. We have to cover on the kids. Because I'm telling you, this police now is a thief to kill them. And it shouldn't be like this. It should have never been like this. None at all. Police now is a thief to kill a young youth them. You understand? You know my children out there right now fatherless. We can't turn to part because part now help with part of them special. Them specialize now who them help. Me can't tell you that. And when the father go there and work, I can't look at money for send the picnic at school and police kill them up. What I'm to little young youth them. When you see him on the group, when you see him and come and kill him, when you kill the father and then you kill his son too. And there's nobody we have to find money for bury dead. You know funeral expensive. You know casket expensive, bro. Yeah, I'm tired of it. I swear to God, me never know that Jamaica that could be like this. I never know that Jamaica that come to this. What are we going to do, parents? What are we going to do to protect our sons? What are we going to do? It will come a time when the young youth and see police, then they start run a boom fence and a jump wall from police. And the police will just run them down and kill them. And they realize that the youth are afraid of them. There are other things what the police deal with, but they're not dealing with target the young youth. Them is that all of them are gunman and killer. Who we are going to turn to? Where are we going to turn to? Nobody. Nobody to defend us. Nobody to defend us. They target the ghetto youth them. They get up every day and them target the little ghetto youth them. It's bad enough no job no out there. And sometimes in the area where you live, nobody no want you to work at them place. And if you sit down and do a little business, police can kill you. And if you not do nothing, police can kill you. What we are going to do? And everything, it be God Almighty killing one and you see a shootout and you can never see one of them get shot. And yet them say somebody can look into that and wake up and find out say, yo, them police are possessed, bro. Bro, them police are possessed. Them not art no more. Me stand up and hear a police I tell a taxi man his part I'm mad him for go suck out. I'm not in bad with them I tell him man and him man a elder could have turned in grandfather. There's no respect from the police them no more. Them disrespect you, then tell his part for go suck out. And if you tell them a bad way, them kill you. And tell them what suck out and each part in your mother if you go dig out. And you can't tell them that. And that's what I say. You can't tell them that. Can me kill you. We need to wake up.